Hi guys, today I'll be making Ube Pandesal with a Ube Halaya and Cheese filling. I'll have the Ube Halaya filling recipe down below in the description box. First of all, we're going to start off with the wet ingredients. We're going to put water into our mixing bowl, sugar, yeast, and then we're going to mix to combine until all the ingredients are all dissolved. Okay, now we're going to add our milk powder, ube powder, and ube extract. Then we're going to add in our flour, our salt, and finally the butter. And then we're gonna mix this until it forms a dough. This will take about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we are beginning to see that our dough is forming. And then we're just gonna scrape the bowl clean, and then we're gonna mix again for maybe another 5 more minutes. So your dough should look something like this. Now we're gonna finish this dough by kneading the dough until it becomes nice and tight. And this will take about at least 10 minutes depending on your dough. So now at this point we can see that the dough is becoming tight. So I'm just gonna spray my bowl, and we're gonna put that dough inside the bowl and let it proof for at least an hour or two until it doubles in size. So it took my dough to proof for about an hour and a half. Now what I'm doing is I'm scaling my dough into 60-gram each balls, and then we're gonna let it rest for at least 10 minutes, and then we're gonna start filling our balls into pandesals. Alright, so now I'm gonna flatten my dough. You can just use your hands like I'm doing, or you can use a rolling pin. So now I'm gonna put the Ube Halaya onto the dough. I'll have the Ube Halaya recipe down below in the description box. So now I'm gonna put my cheese. What I'm using is Eden, but you can use whatever cheese you want. And then we're gonna roll this, and then we're gonna put it into our breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna continue and repeat. Alright, so don't mind this part. I was just playing around with my camera. I was just playing around with the movie app. Okay, anyways, we're gonna proof these guys for at least an hour, and then we're gonna bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 20 minutes or until it's golden brown, just like this. In my opinion, I'd rather eat these guys a day after, but if you wanna eat this the day of, that's all you. It's whatever your preference is, but my preference is a day after. But yeah, if you like your bread hot with melted hot cheese, that's all on you, but I kind of like mine's I like mine's cool. But anyways, here it is. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.